This is a brand new 2013 Ford Focus. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a power moonroof, heated seats, the appearance package, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, 4-wheel independent suspension, and satellite radio. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Koons Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1051 East Broad Street in Falls Church.